Hi everyone! So we finally made time to do a house tour because I have been receiving comments and messages asking for a tour. It is massive. Okay, so these floating stairs, they are art. So they really show off how high the ceiling is. So every time I walk up or down, it's a little moment. I really appreciate how the light comes in and how the light falls into the space. So it's just really beautiful and magical. Okay, let's go up. So this is the TV room. This is where we usually get our massage. We book Xenia and then we just watch TV, our series. And it's also nice if it's busy downstairs, this is your little room for yourself. And oh, it has a really, really nice view of the garden and the pool. Look. So let's go to my home office or fitting studio. So this is where I do fittings and meet with clients. So I actually have 3 brands that I meet clients here. Barrow Label Studios, I meet grooms for their suits and barongs or the entourage, the guys. And then Isle for bridal gowns. And then Nami if they want bespoke jewelry, if they want to have some engagement rings or wedding bands made. This is where the magic happens. So I love this space because it really makes me feel focused and inspired. So this open wall right here is another favorite. We have displayed some of our favorites from art, vases, ceramics, our favorite coffee table books from golf, fashion, travels, the cities that we love, cookbooks. So it's such a simple thing, but it says so much about who we are and what we love. So this is another styling room, but before that, this is our mini altar. A nice Bible. This is gifted by Katie. Cute. It's also art. Chino's gift to me, and Katie made this. Cute. So this is also another styling room. It's just full of racks. This is basically it. Pick some stuff and then prep downstairs. So this is the guest room. Nice big windows, just super airy and modern and just clean. And finally, the master bedroom. This is our refuge at the end of a very long day. So huge windows, so much light, nice wooden floors all over the house. So the space really just feels calm and expensive. Yeah, and of course, our newly upgraded bed from Emma Lee. And my birthday flowers from my husband. It's still alive. Our side tables were from my mother-in-law and father-in-law. Our lampshades are vintage. I'm telling you, we love our vintage. Stark and Stormy's bed. Actually, the dogs, Stark and Stormy, they easily adjusted. When we moved here, they just know where to go. And some workspace, sometimes Gina works here. And the closet, drum roll please. It is massive. I mean, look at this, guys. Like really, I do not know how I will go back to the other house because my closet there is probably just a quarter of this one. So good luck to me. And also, I do not know how I was able to fill up all of these cabinets with my things because I swear, again, my closet in the other house is just 1/4 of this one. So, good luck to me. So this is the shower. It's just weird because the shower is a bit tiny for the size of the closet. Yeah, this is a weird setting. But yeah, spring shower. Of course, use it for my shampoo and body cleanser and cream silk. I'm a cream silk girly. Okay, I can show you a bit of the stuff that I have. Let's open it. Okay, so to be honest, I cleaned up a bit for you guys. Yeah, just my bags, a few of my favorites. Okay, let me show you. My Chanel vintage. So actually, this was already dying. So please do not give up on your leather because Dr. Leather saved my bags. So this just came home from Dr. Leather. Now it looks brand new. Another thing that came home from Dr. Leather is this. Another vintage. It looks brand new. Thank you, Dr. Leather, for saving my bags. Yeah, bags, jewelry, sunglasses. I don't have much, but yeah, the stuff that I have, I really value them and I just really make sure that I love them and I use them. So everything here is the pieces that I accumulated over the years and yeah, just very intentional. That's what I want to happen. And especially that I am moving back to the other house, I can't shop now. No shopping. But makeup, recently I've been shopping a lot of makeup. I am learning already to put on makeup, so I am happy about that and proud about that. Some of my faves. This Chanel one, this is a highlighter. I'll show you. I just bought this in Abu Dhabi. It's so good. Highlighter. Jelly told me to buy this by Mario. This is my contour. I love some Dior sticks for foundation. I already finished one. This is my second. It is good. It has a thick coverage, but if I want a lighter coverage, I go for Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. Normal days, work days, I use this Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. Okay, so lately I just learned how to do color correctors. So apparently you use green for red marks and this orange one for black marks. So I use this for under eye. Chanel blush. Blush from Tom Ford. More Tom Ford stuff. A lot of concealers. There's also another favorite from Deviant. Ooh, super used to when I need to be shiny for events. Also another favorite, guys. Oh my gosh. Setting spray. Very, very important. After your makeup, you should put setting spray. And this one from Jelly. I love this too. Pretty sexy. Boosh. A few of my stuff. What else? Perfumes. Okay, I can share you my 2025 perfumes. This one is a gift from my client, but I super duper love it. Maison Francis Kirk John. Another 2025 scent, Chloe. This Saint Laurent Libre. Why is it Libre? This is also a 2025 scent, together with the Matcha 26. Oh, my wedding scent. This one. Blend Oud. Smells so good. And this Tom Ford, this is also a 2025 scent. I'm actually very, very lucky and blessed that I don't need to buy perfume. So thank you to all the brands who are sending all of these. I super appreciate it. Okay, here at the bottom, some skincare, Clé de Peau facial wash. It's a mix of things. A lot of argan oil from Morocco. Masks. I'm obsessed with masks. This is a new discovery. Also Biodance. Sunblocks, oils, lotion, shampoo and conditioner. Cream silk, obviously. Aesop. I told you I'm obsessed with Aesop. And a lot of hair products. Oh my gosh. I have so much hairsprays. Yup. I think that's it. Okay, so more cabinets. I'm just gonna show you how I fix the dresses. So why some of the dresses are here and not in the studio, because some are designer pieces. So the designer pieces goes to my cabinet and not in the studio. I can show you a few that I super love. Ooh, look at this vintage Galliano. This hasn't been worn yet. I'm super obsessed with the detail of this one. What else do I love here? Okay, this also rotate. It's so chic. So some of the dresses here are just waiting for the perfect moment to be worn. So they're just sitting here and living their best life. What else is here? Okay, just workout stuff. This just shows how I'm a black and white girly. So most of my stuff are just in neutrals. I swear, I live in a uniform. I call this one my Barro closet. So obviously, I am wearing Barro label, my set. The blazers here and the coats here are, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 90% Barro label. So that's for my brand. I am obsessed with suit sets. I feel like, you know, when I don't know what to wear during the day or I'm off to work, I don't know what to wear, I go to this side of the closet. This is my everyday wear. Of course, my Dyson. Yeah, so I don't think we're gonna open the rest of the cabinets because some are Chino stuff. Yeah, so this is like my little retreat. The corner, this is where I put so when I come home, usually I go to the bedroom, take off my jewelry, and this is my little tray. This is actually a gift of Mika. Thank you, Mika. And incense and candles for all the bad juju. I light it at night. Again, Aesop. So yeah, that's it. I think we're done. Yeah, thank you so much for joining me on this home tour. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, even though this is just our temporary home, it's truly been one of the most beautiful spaces we've ever lived in. And we are so grateful for the opportunity to stay in a home as special as this. So let me know in the comments what was your favorite part of the house. Bye for now. We have to start packing soon because we need to move back to the other house.